Hello, how you doing? Have you heard of the Chroma Vector Database? Well, if not, then watch along with me for the next few minutes, and I will quickly get you up to speed. Okay, let's get started. Chroma is a vector database. Vector databases are purpose-driven databases designed to efficiently store, index, and query vector data. Vectors are numerical representations of complex data types like text, images, or audio. These vector numerical representations are also known as embeddings. I've created a video on embeddings, and if you like, feel free to check this out for more details. Chroma is completely free and open source, making it ideal for projects where cost is a concern or for developers that prefer transparency and control. Since it's open source, it allows for customization to fit specific needs, including adding features or tweaking behavior. When using Chroma, there's no vendor lock-in. You deploy Chroma on your infrastructure, which could be your local laptop if you're prototyping, or if you're deploying a production system, your infrastructure might be a container running in the cloud environment or within an on-premise data center. To start using Chroma, you need to follow download instructions to deploy your vector database. Chroma is fairly easy to set up and integrate into your system. There are deployment options such as pip install or Terraform to get your Chroma deployed. Because Chroma is free and easy to set up on your local system, it's a good choice for experimenting with embedding-based vector search without incurring cloud costs. Given that you need to download and deploy, you will manage this Chroma vector database instance. With this, you have total control. To find Chroma and download, you can navigate to this website. Here's the website URL. I've also included this URL in the YouTube video notes. Now, there are challenges with using Chroma. Given that you'll need to manage this vector database deployment and infrastructure, means that you'll be responsible for all the DevOps related activities in scaling this system when you go into production. Additionally, given that you're self-managing this database instance, you and your team will be required to handle all the maintenance, upgrades, and monitoring of the database. This adds complexity for teams, especially for those without DevOps expertise. Another challenge with Chroma is product support. Chroma support depends on community forums and resources, which might not be as reliable as a dedicated vendor support option. In the future, enterprise support packages may emerge, but as of late 2024, these support packages don't exist. So when should you use Chroma? Chroma is great for prototyping on your local system. It's free, you can download it, and it's easy to get up and running. If you're looking for an open source, quick to deploy solution that you can use for prototyping, you should definitely use Chroma. Okay, so now you should have a good conceptual understanding of Chroma along with all of its pros and cons. In subsequent videos, I'll be going over creating indexes, upsorting vectors, querying vectors, etc. But the goal for this video was to give you a 30,000-foot overview of this free, open source vector database. Okay, thanks for watching. This video, along with all the other videos in this playlist, are listed in the YouTube description. I invite you to watch other videos on my channel. If you like the way I'm sharing this content, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, this really helps my channel grow. One last thing. We all love technology, and we're all excited about all the innovation with the cloud and machine learning and AI. But don't forget to carve out some time to live in the real world. Go outside, go swimming, go hiking, go climbing, go surfing. But get out and move your body. And if you do, let me know in the comments. I want to hear about that. With that, have a great day. Thank you.